god, it's not as pigmented as I would have hoped. Hi everyone, it's Kezzy over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia and this is my corner. I hope you get to stay, and if you do, press subscribe. For those of you who are returning, thank you so very much. It means the absolute world to me that you came back to view more of my content, so thank you so much. So today's video is going to be a Shop Miss A haul. So if you want to see what I got from Shop Miss A, then keep on watching, and also what look I create, because I have something festive in mind. Just to say again, thank you to Miss A for all of these products. I really appreciate the opportunity to be working with you again. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. I really like how the products all came packed up. They actually came packed up all in this like big plastic bag, and I found it very helpful. It was just packed properly. First, I'm going to show you what I got, and then we'll actually create a makeup look with the products. I got this scarf, so this is the material of the scarf. It looks very good for like work. It looks very smart as well. The material of it is really nice and soft as well. I thought, you know, having a scarf like this would be essential. I don't own a scarf like this. It looks really cute and I love the pattern of it, but I'll definitely wear it for next winter for sure. What I love about Shop Miss A is that they have a variety of products. They have like jewelry, they have like mobile cases, hair stuff. The pricing is so good. I had to pick up this. This is a hair scrunchie, but it comes like this with like a little bit of a ribbon. And I already own one, and it's actually from Miss A as well, but I got another one because I just had to. I don't know, I think like for work they look so nice, and it's like, you know, you have a ponytail, but it's not boring because you have this on it, and I thought it looks really cute, and I love the colors of this. It will go with anything because it's black, but I love that I added this to my collection. And then I got a necklace and a pair of earrings. They're like of a moon shape. I got this. As you can see, it is actually really pretty. Having this, I think, on would look really nice, especially for the summer. I got a pack of hair ties because why not? I have like clear rubber band, but I thought having sort of brown ones as well would be really good. I also got 2 packs of these. These are the AOA makeup remover wipes. I absolutely love them. Come in handy when I need to, I love keeping makeup wipes here. I don't use them anywhere else. I would just use them here and leave them on my vanity. And example, when I need to remove any swatches or when I need to do lip swatches, I use these. I got this one. This is a bronzer and blush and highlight face palette, so I still need to open it obviously.
One moment.
So this is the palette. It looks really pretty. You have like a bronzer, a blush. I'll definitely be using this. However, what I actually got as for makeup, I got a bunch of these AOA Wonder matte lipsticks. Now, I have a bunch of these and I'll be doing a lip swatch video, which will be separate to this video. So this video will be just literally swatching all these lipsticks that I got. Like I got a bunch and I have some more here. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of lipsticks, and I thought, you know, I'd better do it in a separate video. So I got those, and then I got this set, which is sort of, it comes all in one. So you can buy them all together. So it includes all of these products, and these are the products that I'm going to be using mostly today. I'm very excited. So let's begin. I thought of doing first my face makeup. Let's go do my brows and tie my lids off camera, and I'll be right back. So we're going to do something very simple in my eyes, because obviously I just wish to basically just try out the products. I'm actually going to use the AOA Long Lasting Shadow Stick. It says Shimmer Dama shade 220, and I'm going to just, I think I'm just going to place it all over the lid. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. It's not as pigmented as I would have hoped. I'm just going to see and I like blend that in. I had this palette. This was from Shop Miss A. It's the Immerse eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to use a shade to basically put in the crease because I feel like I need it. And I'm actually going to take this shade right there. It's like a pink shade. To put that in my crease. It's quite a very similar shade. So it actually worked out pretty well. And then basically you can use another brush to just diffuse it a little bit. Then you can just go in again with the shadow stick. I thought I would only just use sort of these products for the eyeshadow. However, no, I kind of felt like I needed something else. So we've created sort of a base. And now I'm going to go into this one. This is the AOA Wonder Baked Eyeshadow in the shade called Saffron. Let me show it to you guys. It's actually a really pretty shade. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just place it all over the lid. I kind of enhance the pink of it, and I actually really like that. I'm just going to blend everything in. I'm keeping in mind also like a festival look. A festival look is going to be messy. It's going to be bright. So that is what I have in mind, and also sort of what this pack actually is made for as well. I actually have this one. This is the Baked Blush in Delicate Pink. And it comes like this. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to literally grab it on my finger. And I'm just going to put it in the center of my lids. And then what you can do is just take the other shade that we used before. And you blend that in. We're back. I'm just going to remove, because I have some eyeshadow excess. And now I think what I will do, should I do my eyeliner? I think I'll do my eyeliner now. I'm gonna try something, but I haven't done this in a while. We have this one, like I said, this is the AOA Gel Liner. This one is Rose Shimmer. And I'm going to try and sort of create a thicker line than I normally would. I'm gonna just take a black eyeliner, but it's a gel liner as well. Hopefully apply liner below the gold. Alright, are you seeing that? Anyways, I'm not going to play anymore with it because I don't want to ruin it. What I'm going to do is I'm literally going to do my face makeup. So I'm going to use this one, the No Pore Face Primer. It comes in like a gel formula. And then we have the AOA Buildable Satin Foundation. That is the foundation I'm going to be using. I really liked this foundation actually. It was a really good foundation from them. So I have a liquid concealer. This is the AOA Studio Concealer, which looks like this. Alright, I think that's enough. Actually love these face products, and they're so cheap. It's amazing. So for powder, I'm actually going to use the AOA Perfect Setting Powder. I'm just going to really apply just a little bit. Okay, let's use the face palette because I'm really excited to use it. We have the Ultimate Glow Face Palette. Oh, actually, this is like a bronzer, I would say. And I think I'm just going to mix both shades. I'm just going to literally just grab some of that and some of that. Ooh. I hope this blends out. Excuse me. I need you. Oh dear God. We have a problem, guys. Why isn't this blending? Oh dear. Just going to take a bit of the light shade up here. But yeah, not my favorite, but yes. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to apply blush because I'm really excited to apply this shade that we use in the center of our lids as our blush. And yeah, just apply that. Very pink. I need to also apply, obviously, some highlighter. And now I'm going to apply this highlighter, which I'm really excited to try out. This is the Velour highlighter. Like I told you, it's like white, but it has like pink sparkles. And I don't know why it's not picking it up. But maybe when I apply it, I don't know if I should like just grab it on my finger. Oh yeah. This works better when you grab it on your finger. Ooh, it's pretty. I am glowing. I also want to glow. I dipped my finger into the frickin'... I'm not gonna waste it, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. It's still okay, and that's what matters. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the lashes, and these again are the AOA Chloe Black lashes. So I will do these off camera and I'll be right back, and then we'll stick these on together. Okay, so the struggle was a bit real, but it's fine. We made it. We're here. Now, the exciting part. So we have this. So this is Glitter Joy, made with love. So basically all gems are applied just like a sticker. It is designed for one-time use, but you can try this way to use it a few more times. Once the glue has dried out, they can reuse using eyelash glue. Okay, all right. So let's try it out. I've never tried anything like this, so this will be very exciting. It comes like this. Look how easy this is to put on. Oh god, I don't know how to put it in the middle. I think here would be perfect. Okay? Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, cute! I really like this. Alright, and now what we have left is basically the lipsticks. Oh, let me fix my hair. Let's try it out. Oh my god, this is so pink. This is literally bubble pink. So we also have this one. This is a Lip Pop lip gloss. Now I don't usually apply lip glosses. I really like this, guys. I prefer it with the lip gloss actually. I just hope no pink goes on my braces. This is the finished look. Oh my goodness. We did a festival makeup look, guys. We did it through Shop Missy. So I definitely recommend you guys. Hopefully, you know, we'll one day go to a festival soon enough, and hopefully everything goes back to normal. We'll be able to go to festivals and all that. And if you want to get ready and get all set for your festival, I would definitely recommend Missy. I love that this all came in like one big pack. I did use the base palette, which was this one right here. I actually really liked these two shades, even though it was difficult to blend, but they really blended nicely then in the end. So I have no complaints whatsoever. And remember, guys, I'll be posting another video with all my lipstick swatches of the AOA Wonders lipstick matte, Wonder Matte lipstick. But yeah, oh my goodness, I absolutely love this so freaking much. Oh, this is so cool, guys. So I really enjoyed this. I really enjoy trying it out. I definitely recommend Shop Missy. Definitely, I'll leave everything linked down below. So yeah, and this you can actually remove it and use it again with some super glue. I was gonna say not super glue, eyelash glue. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
No worries.